There's a lion. Oh, very noble. Whoa. Oh, he's got a scratch. There's the lioness. Oh, there's a Jeep. Spotted hyena. You don't see these guys in too many zoos. Whoa. Look at them go. And just above the hyena is the giraffe and its little enclosure over there. Cheetah. Hi. I think they're the most endangered big cat.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, there's another one back.
They're built like greyhounds.
Cheetahs eat. There's that hyena again. Hanging out by the Jeep. Oh, he's gonna sit down.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, look at you. You know they're more closely related to cats than dogs?
Hey.
There's something wrong with his posture.
Really weird. Even in The Lion King, they depict it really well in the cartoon.
Yeah.
They have this same. There's a canner.
Majestic. Wow. There's two others. Oh, yeah. Oh, roly-poly over there.
That one's younger.
Oh. They really are big cats.
What did I?
Oh, giraffes. Out on the African savannah. Oh, look at. Wow, that's a lot of giraffes.
11. They're all the way
They've
across.
got a colony, all right. Is there a group? They have the reticulated giraffe and the Maasai giraffe. This is the tent where Jack Hanna films his documentaries. What do you call them that? Ooh. Ooh,
Yeah.
that's a vervet monkey. Ooh, hi, buddy. Oh, there's another one.
There we go.
They're pretty bulky for a monkey. I see number 3.
There's a Kit Kat or monkeys right there.
Chubby. Oh, you got your food there? Yeah.